How to remove your YouTube account from your TV. What's up everybody? In this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to easily sign out of your YouTube account if it is logged in on your TV. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is open up your YouTube application on your phone, and from here you want to head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. Then you can just tap on the settings icon at the top right corner, or just tap on Google account right here. And once you do that, it will directly take you to your Google account settings. So from here, you just want to head over to the security tab. And once you get here, you will see where you are signed in. So if you scroll down a bit, you will see this option, your devices, and tap on manage all devices. Once you do this, you'll find all of the devices that you're logged in. And if you want to remove anything, you just tap on the device. So let's say if this is my TV and I want to sign out of it, I'm just going to tap on sign out like this. And if I tap on sign out, it will directly sign out from the particular device. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.